Peugeot is the most seasoned cruiser producer on the planet, since 1898. Sorry Harley, too bad Indian, the French arrived first. In any case, you realized that, correct? Be that as it may, Peugeot's prime as the world's overwhelming power in two-wheels dashing was such a long time ago it's almost overlooked today. The principal Isle of Man TT in 1907, multi-barrel class, was won with a Peugeot engine. The organization additionally created fearsome track specials at the beginning of bike rivalry, with heroes like Henri Cissac and Péan riding Peugeot. This Peugeot presented in 1904 was the primary dock cruiser on the planet. This Peugeot was first hustled by Lucien Desvaux on April 5, 1905. Just 3 were assembled and just 2 remaining on the planet. Honor. Beverly Hills Concours d'Elegance Best Safeguarding. Rock Beach Best Original Race Monthly France Best Original Race.